Hello students, Standard 6, English 1.6, The Peacock and the Crane. The Peacock and the Crane, through the character of a proud peacock, conveys the moral, fine feathers don't make fine birds. In other words, our external appearance has no value if we lack beauty and strength within. Let us summarize this story. The peacock boasted of having the most gorgeous tail. Gorgeous means what? Beautiful, magnificent and stunning, which shine in all colors of the rainbow. But that too has its own limitations. The crane possessed colorless and dull feathers, but he was not affected by the peacock's display of its colorful tail. He was fully aware of his inner potential and what he was capable of. Unlike the peacock, he could fly high above among the clouds and stars and witness the beauty of the earth in all its splendor. Aware of his blessings, he could happily take the peacock's criticism in its stride. Let us remember to develop our self-esteem and self-confidence by understanding that it is not how we look, but what we are capable of, which makes all the difference. That means from this story we have to learn we should be proud of our capabilities. No need to answer for others' comments. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Here conceited, it is adjective. Conceited means very proud, vain, arrogant. Gorgeous, as I already told you, it's also an adjective. It's beautiful, magnificent and stunning. So, when he met a crane means what? It's also a bird. One day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. He scoffed. What is the meaning of scoffed? Laughed at rudely and scornfully. Dull and pale, these are also adjectives. Dull, pale means not bright. Admire means what? Praise. Look at my feathers, he boasted. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow. While yours are so pale, I am dressed like a king. That is true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. Here glory means beauty and splendor. While you live down here just like in the cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. From this story we can learn something. What? Means compare two birds, crane and peacock. Here, crane can fly very high in the sky. It can see the beauty of the earth. But also it has its own limitations. But peacock is beautiful, but it can't fly very high in the sky. And we need not look at others' qualities, but we have to look at our own qualities, capabilities, and we have to understand our weakness and we have to improve ourselves. And we should not tease others. Thank you.